This is Donnovan Simon. I'm the president for the association. It has been a while since I've talked to some of you, and I thought I'd take the opportunity to have a quick chat by video so you don't have to read too much of the weekly updates that we've been sending out. Still want you to read them, but this time I thought I'd do something different. There are lots of things happening in the association, and sometimes I think it's important that we share some of that information even a little bit more deeply. Our AGM is coming up. It's October, and on October 28th, we're going to have our annual general meeting where we talk about our results for 2017, we'll talk about plans for 2018, and of course we'll elect the executive going forward. I invite you to come out and participate in the discussion, participate in the meeting. If you want to participate in the voting, of course you need to be a paid up member, right? But I want to encourage everybody to participate. It's really important to get more Jamaicans, Canadians, anybody interested in promoting Jamaican culture to participate in the activities and the programs that we're doing. There are a number of other things that are happening for the rest of the year that I want to make sure you're aware of. There's a New Year's Eve gala on New Year's Eve, of course. It's going to be at the Executive Royal Hotel. It's going to start at 7, go all the way till 2. It's $80 per person. Tickets are available from our members and also online. There are a number of other things that we're planning going into 2018. We're planning things for our young people, so we're continuing our focus on sharing with our youth, of helping our youth. There are many things that we did this year. Come to the AGM, you'll hear about it. But also going into 2018, plans are already afoot to do more for our young people and also for our seniors and for our regular members. We want to be a relevant organization, and in order to achieve that, your participation is very, very important. As we talk about participation, it's also that time of year when there are municipal elections. I want to call on all our members, all our community, to go out and participate in the electoral process. It's important that we exercise that right to select those who govern our city. It's a really important activity, and I know of at least one Jamaican faith who is a candidate in the race. Let's go out and vote. Vote for whoever you choose, but go out and participate in the process. As for the association, we'll continue to work on executing on our strategic plan. A lot of work was done in the past. There are people like Wayne, Bernice, Cleve, and others who did a great job putting together a strategic plan. The issue is that we never did a lot of what the plan was about. We are working at executing on that plan. So we have started stuff on merchandising. We have started the design of a benevolent fund to help people in our community. We have started work on youth and leadership and a range of things. The key to getting this done, though, is having more people come and help us to do these things. So I'm encouraging you who you may not have been to a meeting for a while, you may not have participated in our activities for a while, come out. I'm not asking you to take a position on the executive. I'm asking you to help us to execute on a range of these plans to be better and to contribute more in our community. If I don't see you at the AGM, if I don't see you before Christmas, I wish you all the best going into the season, going into the new year. And until next time, this is Donnovan, the president of the association, signing out and saying, hey, join us, let's work together. Let's make the Jamaican culture an important part of the diversity fabric of our new home, Calgary. Thanks and take care.